on YouTube, I forgot to do an intro to this video, so I'm going to do it right now while I'm walking out to the shop to turn the heat on, because I want to go play in the garage for a little bit. So, this video is the E-fans installed on the Tahoe, and we're putting it back on the dyno to see if we pick up any rear wheel horsepower. Speculation is about 10 to the rear wheels. I've never done this before and put a car back on the dyno, so we'll see what happens. As you can see, we got a nice amount of snow in North Carolina. No one worked today. We all took the day off. The roads were actually really bad this morning. So in the previous video, you saw me install these fans, and I said I was going to put it on the dyno, and that's what this video is going to be about. So the truck is on ethanol fuel still. It's actually, today it's up to 77%, which is about the highest you're going to find in the winter. One thing that I always forget to say is check me out on Instagram, hi_PSI_TV. There's always a link in the description below. And be sure you check out RPM Motorsports and John Doc as well. We're trying to get all those channels up. YouTube has changed some rules, how we get paid and stuff like that. Luckily, I made the cut. So I am over 2,000 subscribers right now and over 4,000 hours of video view. So I'm in, luckily. A lot of guys are scrambling right now, trying to get some content, throw a bunch of videos up. There's a hole right there that I just found. I wonder what was... Dang. But anyway, I don't know what else to say about the truck. Here's the video of it on the dyno, and you will see the dyno results. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Alright guys, here's what we picked up on the dyno. We picked up 9 horsepower and 6 foot-pounds of torque with the E-fan swap. So now we are at 319 horsepower and damn near 300 foot-pounds of torque. Remember guys, always comment, like, and subscribe, and coming soon, supercharger install. I have yet to order the bracket because I have been lazy, and I need to order some fuel rails for the blower as well. So that is coming soon. The next video set is going to be installing the blower. Thanks again for watching. Always comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.